Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an API key on Bitget. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open the Bitget app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, use your Bitget account credentials to log in. And once logged in, locate and click the Personal Center section at the top left of your screen. Here, tap on More Services and then tap on Earn in the top options. Now, find the API Management option and click on it. Then look for the option to create new API and click on it to initiate the API creation process. Here, fill in the required information, including notes, API passphrases, permission settings, link, IP address, email verification code, and all other fields. Once you have provided all the necessary details and completed the verification steps, tap on Confirm to finalize the API creation process. After creating it, you can manage it by viewing, editing, or deleting it as needed. So that's basically how you can create an API key on Bitget. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.